What's up, vlog? We're about to go get Chili's before the actual, oh my god, where the actual road trip starts, so.
Why is he literally going so slow?
We'll get back to, I'm not gonna film the Chili's because that's just like not me. So I'll probably.
Should I get pasta or Nashville hot tenders? Which one should I get, vlog?
I'm in a bubble.
Today, I'm trying to sell these young.
I love Alicia Keys.
Where is she?
Not Alicia Keys, you weirdo.
Alright, bye guys.
In your effing lane. Jared.
It's not even that crazy.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Come, sit. Oh, sorry. Oh, good girl. Hi, baby. I missed you too. Yeah, we're all in the car ride. Yeah, no, show your face, guilty as charged. And she wants to throw it into because our lotion sprayed everywhere. Like I purposely.
It wasn't lotion.
Oh.
I was trying to open my Roku and she goes,
I hope you enjoy it. $20.
you didn't even get to see how smashed it was. I was already mourning over that. And then
I'll
you're
try
gonna
to find a
tell me
photo.
how happy it-
Oh my god. Ignore how I look, guys. Here is the farm.
Hey, girl.
Hey, Cheyenne.
She's trying to bite my fingers.
The miniature donkey back there. Oh, is she really?
We're together. Hagenberg. I don't know.
How do you feel about seeing all these goats?
It's a lot of goats.
Are you
They
excited?
got their own little chairs out there.
I literally know. This is where I want to be. I wish I was a goat.
Yeah.
What
It's
animal
really
do
cool.
you wish you were?
A hawk with laser beams.
Like
Thanks.
from the Good Mythical Morning?
Thanks for the interview.
Yeah, of course.
I like the rooster.
Oh my god! What do you do in this situation?
Oh. You can make her bow too.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try the haichu watermelon. My parents are being rude and not even my parents' stepmother. Anyway, where's my? There's like watermelon. Here we go. My favorite haichus are probably acai and mango. Yeah. All right. We're back. Hey vlog, we made it to the cabin. Unfortunately there's no stair step and mom had to cheerleader hold me into there. And yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get down. But
Just get down.
hold the vlog.
No, look.
Sissy, you're shaking the whole entire thing. This is what I'm looking like right now. I'm scared. I'm gonna tip the whole entire bed.
Sheila's room.
Turn off the vlog. Turn off the vlog. Let's do this. Guys, there's ghosts.
Scariest thing you'll see all vacation.
Yeah. Man, I hopped in the cabin.
Look at this. Look at this.
You are literally a ninja, bruh.
Wait. You see that?
I think that. I'm just a boy. I'm just a boy. In this world. That's all that I ever baby. Two.
No, I'm good. Get me off your vlog now.
Well, too bad because you're big. Yeah, I did. Your big mouth. Oh, I didn't show you it.
Looks like a house with a great house.
It did, yeah. How long it was.
There's a wax museum.
And Stormy is in her harness.
The fact fact that it's probably not good for your lungs.
Dance.
You gotta fuck it up, not the one who made the rules.
Oh my god, he's alright.
Right.
He probably did his first fire. Good job, buddy.
Oh my goodness. Coming in. So we're excavating.
Wait, I got an extra one. Did everyone get a stick? Dad, I put yours in your chair.
This is my stick.
Show your sticks. Are you still filming?
Yes.
Hey guys, we're doing our makeup outside because there's only one bathroom and there's 6 or 5 people staying here.
There's
5. There's 5 people staying here, so you know that can become a little bit crazy.
There's more bathrooms though.
So
Oh,
yeah, that's what he's doing today.
Party bug.
But what are we doing today? Are we hiking? Oh, we're going on a little
Gonna
hike.
check out the hot spring downtown a little bit.
Ooh, can we get? I want to see if it's downtown. Let's see if there's like boba.
Yeah, I think there's boba. I think there's a coffee shop.
Yeah. Okay, vlog, we're here at the place. They're probiotics. I hope I don't poop myself. These are super good.
We're gonna get some of these.
All right. What? I'm not concentrating. Holy crap! How do you feel about this waterfall?
Well, but now that I've gotten closer, it's actually pretty legit.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy
Shut
freaking
up,
nature.
lady.
Come on.
Yeah, stop talking. No one wants to hear you anymore.
Bad vibes over.
$20, I'll fall on this.
Ava, I'm not paying you
$20 to fall in this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll pay you back when we get into town. Go ahead and fall in it.
What do you have to tell the vlog?
I don't know if you guys. Oh. I don't know if you guys know this, but in this forest, the mushrooms that are by the trees, they communicate with each other underground.
I didn't even know that.
And all these roots.
I'll tell something vlog doesn't know. I farted when we got here. Guys, there's literally turtles down there.
Turds.
You just call them turds? Is that what you just call them?
Some little boy just called our dog gay.
This is so Rip McLaughlin.
Keep on singing.
Oh.
Dad, oh my gosh, you pooped your pants. Look at his pants. Oh my god.
I thought it was a snake. Ava, it's literally right there. Where else would it be?
My little worm.
That's
Okay guys, we're downtown. We're about to go get some pizza and maybe some boba and just look around. Are you gonna get boba today?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm kind of feeling, yeah, let's go.
I never told TVA that I was leaving the state.
You
I'm
should
from
have-
the country.
Probably don't. You're gonna get hacked again.
That's what I'm saying. I'm scared.
You should be.
Oh my gosh, Ava. Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh, we gotta walk.
We throw it on half of the pizza.
Why? So Steve's been spending time with Dad. How's she doing? But other than that, yeah.
Vlog, we are so cool. Okay, vlog, we're back, and the boba is literally like a 4. Maybe lower than that. It's not even that good. And, yeah, so I'm really scared for the Arkansas people to think this is good. It's not. But at Farragut, my love is Farragut. Go to Delicious in Hunter Valley. It's the best one. Woman owned.
Oh my god.
It's amazing. So. Did she grab your back too?
No.
She grabbed mine. First steak gets it first. Alright. Ooh, how much hot! Like, it smells
I like the
all
apple
those-
pear one.
I know. Hey vlog, I got a perfume. It's wine. I've now. We're going. We had to take a pit stop earlier. Oh, that's cute. To poop in public. We are now investigating a haunted. Look, the stairs don't even go up. What? That one works. We went to the hotel to like check out the bath stuff, but we got milkshakes. I got pistachio. What'd you get?
Sea salt caramel.
Was it good? Oh. How would you rate it on a scale of 10?
8.
Me too. It's really creamy. Sissy can't try this one because she's allergic to nuts. How would you rate yours on a scale of 1 to 10?
It's quite good. I do like the vegan product.
You like it?
It's different kind of non-dairy.
Ooh. Okay. She's getting scientific. Yeah? She didn't know what vegan is.
I thought it was an animal-made product.
Well, that would be vegan.
Blah 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 blah.
A stick bug.
Me, mommy, help me.
Okay, sit down. Sit down.
I am right now. Might be an electrician. This might be the electrician.
I'll take that one.
He was just called 2 weenies at once. It's so sweet. I read it.
Oh my god.
6.8.
This is a long rating.
Alright, well, good job.
We didn't even get to see the pizza rating. Nobody filmed that. Oh my, look at this stinks. She's crawling underneath your chair.
Anyway, what's his name? Pizza. One bite. What's the
Noodles.
noodles? Came to,
What's his name for real? Danny Portnoy.
came to the Lucas. Came to the Lucas. It's in, Arkansas Hot Springs.
We're gonna call him that.
Yeah.
We didn't get Portnoy.
I like different documents. Anyway.
There's one man.
Stormy!
What is she
She's
doing?
just eating the gravel.
Storming. Eating gravel.
Oh, she's eating a thing in like a pit near the fire.
So you guys go private though. And
I
then,
don't want to.
No, we have to.
Yeah, everybody goes private. You
Wait,
sit in your-
what?
You sit in your own bath and then you come out and they wrap you in
Shut
a
up,
towel.
really?
Wait, naked?
You don't have to be naked. It's so however you want to be.
No.
No.
I'll be naked.
Ew.
Ew, are you
We'll
actually?
Be separate. We'll be separate from each other.
Are you actually gonna be naked?
Yes, Turkish bathhouse style.
Oh my god, you're so messed. That's what Carter said. Okay, guys, we're about to go and we're going to get lunch, I think. And then
No, they're going to go to the bathhouses.
Oh yeah, because we're going in late.
And then we're getting the dirtiest, nastiest, kinkiest.
chai ever.
Hey, one can only hope. I had their boba yesterday. Awful.
Oh, well,
Probably a 2 out of 10.
lower, 0.4.
When they go low, I go lower.
I would rather poop your brains out, so.
I won't go into detail, but
It's pretty bad.
I feel like I lost some years
But
of
I
my
would
life.
rather poop here than in public again.
I agree. That's why I was like, I'm still gonna poop even if I can't.
Well, we're gonna try a new coffee place. I think they opened a new one. It's like Cafe Mi Amor.
I don't know where we're gonna go.
There's like 4 places, but they're all like.
I don't know where they're gonna park, and I don't know where they're gonna
Yeah.
drop us off.
So I think
But
we
we're
should
just gonna
go
walk.
Walking Legends.
We're just gonna walk, and they're gonna have to find us. We're gonna play hide and seek. Can you find me?
Okay, guys, we're walking to the coffee shop, and it's about a 5-minute walk. It said on mine that is 12 from GBT, so I don't know how accurate it is.
GBT was farther, and Collective was like right. It's right before you cross that.
Okay. We'll catch you up when we get there. We're gonna see like what the
I
vibe
think we
is.
should go also.
Ooh, yeah, because we want to get a little sweet treat too.
Yeah.
We're
Well, let's see
gonna,
what kind of like.
yeah, let's just
food
get the
they have
menu
there.
before we order.
They have pretzels,
Ooh, yeah, you're right.
so we'll figure it out.
Yeah, we're gonna look around town a little bit today too, so I'm gonna feel it out. I'm not be able to oop my pants after this, but I've been pooping like 3 or 2 times a day. Yeah, anyway, we'll do that, guys. Okay, vlog, we made it. I'm filming you. We got 2 dirty, stinky chats. Yeah, we did. But we made it. And we're gonna go to this candy place on the other side of the street.
Hopefully we can get there.
But yeah, we got 2 dirty pies and then we got a
We're still talking.
yeah, we got a snickerdoodle cookie.
We did. That was $3.
And
It was the last.
and the
one.
coffee was $10.50 for 2 of them.
That's like normal. That's like normal.
I feel like it should have been like 8 something.
For both?
Yeah.
I think they only have one size.
Yeah.
So she didn't ask. She didn't say.
First sip. This dirty little kinky chai won my chart.
Oh yeah, that's dirty.
I feel like I'm stuck on ice,
It's a little milky.
but I like it.
I don't think there's any espresso in it.
No, I just taste mine. It's very light.
Here's the cookie.
Here's the cookie. Ooh. There's the nibble. Okay. Thank you. Let's eat. Not better than the Guardians.
Who?
Tasha.
Oh. She never made them. Not memorable.
Oh, that car's turning gonna hurt.
No, they're back in.
Oh.
They're in our package.
we got 15 saltwater toffee.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, and the guy was so nice.
The guy was so sweet.
He was
He's from
literally born like 3 steps away from us. So it just really felt like a real moment. And then we're leaving the store. These people are laughing like witches. I swear to God, they're like, ah.
It was crazy.
It was pretty.
We do need to cross it.
Yeah, it's just across right here. Anyway, we'll be right back, guys. We're gonna go tour the town again.
We're gonna. You don't scream this time.
I won't.
Get out!
No, you
I
had
like
that
that
one.
one. I thought that one was cute.
I've used.
I thought that one was cute.
That one's pretty good.
And hers too? No, like, Virga. Is it that? I thought she had the other one where it was like.
Maybe it's the Minions.
I thought it was that one.
She has something
Hubby
different.
is calling.
Yes. Yes.
I swear she had
Yes.
that. We were bred up the caller ID. And it was the
Yes.
Minions.
Hubby, calling
So-
from Sal.
That's very disgusting.
It's just.
Shut up. Turn it off. She wants to embarrass us all. I don't really know. Turn it down. This is
Yeah.
Alpha. He's just playing whatever he wants now.
Oh, that was DJ Khaled.
It literally was.
Seen one never seen before.
Turn this off.
Bless you.
Oh. Italy.
Oh, it's not sure. It's really cute. I'll show you guys. But they gave me also a really good time. Yeah, but I want to go catch up with these like 4 times. It's 30 over. Yeah, 30. I got the most waxy good. Yeah. We're gonna go find something to eat. I'm feeling that hard. I'm like hungry. I'm really hungry. Oh yeah. I got a shirt. You're gonna need something else. What the heck is this, guys?
Thank you.
Together.
Together.
Hey, want some Diet Coke? You want some Diet Coke? Diet Coke? I love you! Ich liebe dich! Can you believe it? Can you? Oh, good her. Last night in Arkansas. Drink. Oh, you wait until Mom sees that?
You're gonna be Dunzo. What else is it? What's it from John? I'm like the fattest pig in history right now. I think I have 8 in the entire cabin. And I'm gonna eat everyone else. What? That's 15 bucks. No.
Yes.
Not me. Not me. It'll be like creep. I'm gonna start hiding in the woods and scaring you. Yeah.
Oh, you get the reference.
Go, Ellie. Go, Ellie. Go. Go. Go.
And she literally only watches half of the vlog and she goes, I watched it. Comment if you saw this.
Now you'll never see this. We're gonna put this at the end, Ellie.
Comment beach balls. In all caps.
You better know.
And if you
We
don't-
and the beach ball emoji.
Yes, yes. And if you don't, you're canceled. Yeah, I'm pushing it everywhere.
Friendly. You are canceled. I think you're already canceled because you tried to take my man, but you wait to see whenever I pull up to the movie theater. Yeah, we all believe this.
And then the next episode.
But then you guys are doing Santa Colby. I really want to see them at the Conjuring, but I know they're not that last. Huh?
15? Why is Dad not my age over? I don't even know his. Maybe 32.
Really trying his best. He's 38, 39.
He's 30. Yeah, 134 or something. Dad, how old are you? 29. Yeah. I feel like you're still 30 in the vlog. You know what I was
You
saying?
know? I thought he was young. Stop making
How'd you write my s'more? Oh,
one bite. You know the rules.
Get out of
it was definitely more than one bite, but.
What do you got in there?
Truly.
Hennessy.
You got Hennessy in there?
Hey, Diet Coke in here, bro.
You just laugh like that?
What do you laugh like?
Like this.
Diet Coke. I want another one of these. Stat.
Okay, I'll get on to it, princess. Be back in a second, vlog. Alright, vlog, I'm back with the next s'more. Cooking by the fire.
Come on.
Come here, baby. Come here, my little baby. Sorry, come back here. Now.
Come here.
Now. Oh my. You're so cute. You're so cute. I could tickle your little butt. Yes, I could. Yes, I could. Bees. Guys. Gordon Ramsay can't even make this. I'll tell you that.
Milky Bear.
Get it off. Ew. God. What was that? We about to eat the paper towel.
Sticking to me.
You're getting up. You're gonna look like the Grinch when he tried to shave.
It feels like that. It feels like I have Elmer's glue all over my lips. Balls.
Go balls.
Go balls.
So funny. So funny. Huh? So funny. Up, sissy.
More brother Lincoln said nothing. She said nothing about that. Well, I was sitting here freezing.
Here.
She brought both.
Go balls. Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog. Say bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
God, say bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
You guys too. Let us know when you get there.
What's happening?
Thanks for inviting